What if I told you the chainsaw wasn't invented for trees, but for something far more terrifying? When you hear a chainsaw, you think of forests, wood, and destruction. But in the 18th century, its purpose was human. Before modern C-sections, doctors faced impossible births with no safe way out. So they invented a hand-cranked chainsaw to cut bone during childbirth.
No engines, no anesthesia, just screams and turning metal.
It was meant to save lives, but the sound never left the room. So the next time you hear a chainsaw, remember, it was born in a delivery room.